Mulching, the key to a thriving garden. Introduction. Welcome to our gardening routine series, where we delve into the essential tasks that keep our gardens thriving. In today's episode, we'll uncover the benefits of mulching and how it can transform your gardening experience. Mulching is not just about aesthetics. It plays a crucial role in soil health, moisture retention, weed suppression, and more. So let's dive in and discover why mulching should be an integral part of your gardening routine. Content. Mulching is like a protective shield for your plants. It acts as a barrier, protecting the soil from the harsh elements and temperature fluctuations by covering the soil with a layer of organic material, such as wood chips, straw, or leaves. You create a microclimate that is conducive to plant growth. The mulch acts as a natural insulator, keeping the soil cool in hot weather and warm during colder seasons. One of the greatest benefits of mulching is its ability to retain moisture by creating a barrier between the soil and the air. Mulch prevents water from evaporating too quickly, ensuring that your plants stay hydrated for longer periods. This is especially crucial in dry climates or during droughts when water conservation is essential. With mulching, you can reduce your water usage and still maintain healthy, thriving plants. Mulching also plays a vital role in suppressing weeds. Weeds are like unwanted guests in our gardens, stealing valuable nutrients and space from our beloved plants. By applying a thick layer of mulch, you create a physical barrier that prevents weed seeds from reaching the soil and germinating. Additionally, mulch shades the soil, making it difficult for weeds to grow and thrive. Say goodbye to endless weeding sessions and hello to more enjoyable gardening. But mulching doesn't just benefit your plants, it also nourishes the soil. As the mulch breaks down over time, it adds organic matter to the soil, improving its structure and fertility. This organic matter acts as food for beneficial soil organisms, such as earthworms and bacteria, creating a healthy and balanced ecosystem beneath the surface. With regular mulching, you'll notice improved soil health, better nutrient availability, and increased microbial activity, all of which contribute to the overall vitality of your garden. Call to action. Now that you understand the numerous benefits of mulching, it's time to incorporate it into your gardening routine. Start by selecting the right mulch for your plants and climate. Wood chips are excellent for long-lasting mulching, while straw or leaves work well for vegetable gardens. Apply a layer of mulch around your plants, making sure to leave a small gap around the stem to prevent rot. And don't forget to replenish the mulch annually or as needed to maintain its effectiveness. We hope you enjoyed this episode on mulching and its importance in your gardening routine. If you found this information helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. Happy gardening!